Hi guys, this is Anthony with the Magical Druid. In conjunction with the Magical Druid's ritual theme for this year of self-empowerment and self-improvement, I am offering a class this January. It is the fourth Saturday, of which the date now eludes me, fourth Saturday of January at 1:15. And it is going to be chakra alignment and chakra work. So these are the energy centers that come down through the center of our body. We're going to talk about these main energy centers as well as all the energy centers around them. Famed New Age author Louise Hay believed in disease, that whenever you have some kind of physical ailment is because of one of these chakra centers have become unaligned. So in our class, we're going to teach you how to align these chakras, find out which way the energies are going, and all the different ways that you can use chakra work to improve yourself, both physically, mentally, as well as spiritually. This is an encouraged prerequisite class for the introductory to Reiki, which will be offered in March. So we hope that you come out to the class, and we'll see you soon.